Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our channel. As we are started with learning MS Excel from the basics, in a previous video I have covered some of the important basic understanding of MS Excel and important concepts I have covered in the last previous video. So in today's video I am starting with some more important concept and the uh, important tools which is included in the MS Excel, which is important to know before handling the software practically. So I'm starting with different types of bars in the MS Excel. This MS Excel includes the types of bars, that is title bar, menu bar, formula bar, status bar and toolbar. Title bar is a bar which contains the title of the application. This is called as title bar. Title bar is nothing but it contains the title of the application. It shows the title name of the application. Here, menu bar is a bar which contains the menu that includes all the commands. This is known as the menu bar. Menu bar is nothing but it includes all the commands. Commands are nothing but, like as I said you all, you can give numbers to the letters, change the you can fill colors to the particular cell, highlight the cell, you can change the design of your writing, like how you manually change, no, like cursive, like that you can change. That contains, you can highlight the row. So that are the comments that includes the menu bar. Formula bar is a bar which is used to enter the formula for calculation. This formula bar is very important bar in MS Excel which helps in many functions. As I said you all, formula bar is a bar which helps in calculating the data, which is very important before you are suggesting the formula, like this actually we use some basic formula like sum function, mean function, median, mode, average, etc., count function, etc. So before you are giving the comment, this formula bar used to suggest you all what this formula bar actually includes of. Even you all don't know the formula, it suggests that what actually you should enter with the formula. Status bar. Status bar is the bottom of the screen. It displays the current condition of the worksheet. Status bar is nothing but it is located in the bottom of the screen. It displays the current condition of the worksheet. What you are actually working is what you are actually working in that worksheet, what the current worksheet you are performing with. It displays the current condition of the worksheet. Toolbar consists of group of icons, drop down, list box. These icons are called as toolbar. As I said y'all, you can create in MS Excel you can create this attendance check sheet, drop down list, everything you can create, like you can create the charts. So this toolbar help, it consists of and different types of icons like a drop down list, check sheet, attendance box, like attendance sheet you can create, like sales bills. So it contains some of the icons, different types of icons is known as a toolbar. So these are the important bars of an MS Excel. Explain the mathematical function with a general syntax in the MS Excel. As I said you all that MS Excel is a software where you can perform mathematically functional values. You can extract the charts, maps, or even you can create your own data with a proper segregated organized manner. The mathematical function with a general syntax are as follow. This actually, before going to a practical session, we should theoretically know that what all the functions this MS Excel actually includes of, like mathematical function, statistical function, etc. So first I am going with a mathematical function like sum function, round function, floor function and ceiling function. So here Sum function is a function which helps in adding the numbers in a range of multiple range of a cells. As if you want to add some not like an just a 10 or a 20 numbers in the practical manner or day-to-day business activities, if you want to add the numbers uh, more than 10,000 customers grand total, so adding the range of numbers, the sum function you can use. For that, a syntax is equals to. Always you need to use an equal symbol in Excel to extract your data. Before entering any formula, you need to apply a symbol of an equal. So I have given here your syntax, that equals to sum open bracket range of numbers. The range of numbers are nothing but the table content data, like 1 to how many last row, you can click that, and if you give an enter, you will get the value of a sum, that is a grand total. Like you cannot manually type more than 10,000 customers, okay, like customer 1 plus customer 2 plus, you cannot do like that. So for a large quantity you can use the sum function. Round function is a function which rounds a number to a specified number of a digit to the next number, next value. Like yeah, usually we do in a mathematical form, like we'll round off the numbers which is nearer to the exact value. So this round function is a function which helps us to specify the number of digit which is equal to the next value, which is exact to the next value. Syntax are round function open bracket same the range of number, specific range of number you can add with it. Next, floor function. Floor function which rounds the number down towards the 0 to the nearest multiple you specify with. See, actually if it the number which is recurring like 52.0000, you can specify that how many numbers you need after the particular value. So this floor function helps in specifying the value towards the 0 to the nearest multiple you specify with. So the syntax is equal to floor number and significance. Significance is nothing but, as I said, that the specify, you specify what you need, that one. So the syntax are floor open bracket number and significance. You need to close the bracket and give the enter. These are the just a theoretical notes I'm giving for the reference purpose. In upcoming videos I'll be teaching you all with new concepts, like how we manually add the numbers, how we manually use this flow function, and this all will be covered in the upcoming videos practically. Ceiling function. Ceiling function returns the number round upway from the 0 to the nearest multiple value. Flow function, no, it rounds the number towards its down value, towards the 0. This ceiling function, no, it's away from the 0, that reciprocal. So okay, floor function towards the 0, ceiling function rounded away from the 0 to the nearest multiple value you specify with. Syntax are ceiling, that same you should mention equal in all the Excel formulas which you enter. Equals ceiling open bracket number comma significance. Significance in this, the particular value, the decimal value what you give with. Okay, next explain the applications of MS Excel. As we are continuously learning what is MS Excel, we also should know that what are the application this MS Excel actually includes of. Like this helps in, as I said, you all calculating, accounting, charting, inventory tracking, calendars, schedules, seating charts, goal planning, mockups, task list, check sheet, checklist, etc. These are the applications of MS Excel. As I discussed with the mathematical function which this MS Excel performs, I am going with a financial function. This financial functions includes FV function, NPV function, and more function. I'll continue with y'all. So FV function is nothing but FV function is a financial function which returns the feature value of an investment. For the index of that is FV open bracket rate NP PMT PV type close bracket. Your rate is rate of interest, NPV is your number of months, PMT is payment not required here, PV present value type 0 or 1. NP function returns the net present value of the investment based on the series of periodic cash flows and cash outflows and the discount rate. For that, the function is syntax NPV rate value 1 value 2 close bracket. You can give how many types of values you are needed. Here rate is equals to rate of interest, value is the series of the value. Next functional value are financial values. Payment function, what I am going is with PMT function. PMT function is nothing but a payment function which is used to calculate like installments, monthly EMIs, etc. Payment function returns the periodic payment for an annuity. Syntax are PMT rate NPV, that is net present value, fixed value, and type. You can calculate monthly payment, total spending, and total interest. Rate function returns the near interest rate per periodic of an annuity. For that, syntax represent as rate. Even here you need to use an equal before any formula. Rate open bracket rate net present value, payment, fixed value, and type. Coupon numbers returns the number of coupons payable between the settlement date and the maturity date. Coupon open bracket settlement, maturities, frequency, basics, etc. Frequency means every 6 months. So 1 year or less than that you can use for this coupon days. DB function returns the depreciation of an asset for a specific period using the fixed declining balance method. Disk function returns the discount rate for the security. Syntax are disk, settlement, maturity, PV, redemption, etc. Interrate function returns the interest rate for a fully invested security. Syntax equal interrate open bracket settlement, maturity, investment, and redemption. You'll get the answer. IRR, NPVR, these are the financial terms basically a common student can understand, and even in upcoming videos we'll be doing a practical session. There you can clearly get what these are the full form and where it is used, for what it is used, etc. Further theoretical clarification, what this mathematical function, what is this financial function, for just a glance I'm giving these all the formulas. NPR family, NPR function returns the number of periods for an investment, like index, same, rate, PMT, present value, fixed value, type. If you given enter, you will be getting your answer. As I said, y'all, like this tools which is menu bars, what all includes of this. Excel also has a features of formatting like alignment, orientation, formatting the sheet, date sorting. See, you cannot enter for the 10,000 plus customers, like you cannot enter the date manually for the month. No, this date sorting help you to enter the dates manually for a month. No, if you give a particular date function, it will actually automatically enters the date for a month. Word wrap, merge cells. You can merge two cells together to enter the larger name. So actually a cell will be a smaller point in the worksheet. If you want to merge 2 to 3 cells together and give a bigger sentence, it helps. You can it gives like a merge cells, borders and frames, patterns like formatting rows and columns, like highlighting the color, formatting the sheet, or these are the some of the formatting features. So in upcoming I'll show you all that how we can use this conditional formatting, how we can highlight the particular area, how we can merge the cells, how we can give these borders to the table, date sorting. And in upcoming videos I'll be showing all these features in your upcoming video. So in today's videos have been covered some of the important topics. So in upcoming videos I'll be going with an practical session, and also like even in a theory practical manner I'll start with a basic like sum function, how you can use the sum function, or how you can put borders, and how what is this formatting, what is this conditional formatting, what is this menu bar, where this menu bar is locating. All this I'll be covering in the practical session of the upcoming videos. So thank you for watching today's videos. If there is any mistake, I apologize for that. And upcoming videos I'll be giving you a clear information. And if you all need these notes, so please comment, I'll provide it to you all in a PDF format. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and please do support and subscribe to my channel.